In this video we're going to be talking a title called Twitter Data Saver, or should it be called Digital Wellbeing. It's a short video and it's about a balance between humans and machines, quite honestly, living in the age of distraction. Top slide here, we are talking about a balance with technology, and I've taken the quote from wellbeing.google, which is, as technology becomes more and more integral to everyday life, yada yada, it can become distracting from us. For me personally, as Mike Downs, it's hugely distracting, and also, to be perfectly honest, sometimes quite emotionally draining, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. By using the Twitter Data Saver, in my opinion and in my personal experience, it's made my life a lot better. So for no reason at all apart from a Twitter account which is a non-person one, this is a corporate one which is London's Stansted Airport in the UK, and what we can see here is, as a demonstration, is this is mobile screenshots, obviously on Android, and that is that the first one pretty much unchanged, but when you go over to the second, in other words scrolling down, with the data saver turned on mobile, and also it works on desktop, you don't have an image. So for me personally, I will look and read the text if I wish to, and then I've really got to have a personal, usually an emotional reaction in me to want to load that image. As it is, it's blurred out, it doesn't really distract me. And then also with this video here, I know that it's got 304 views or whatever, and it's 52 seconds, but it's not there. So if I want to quickly grab in and say, have you heard about airport awareness? Would I have something to actually click through? So then going on to the next one, you can see the difference there. So in terms of logistics of how we set this up, if you're on mobile, and I always use the Twitter actually web app type thing, which runs in Chrome, I do not use the Twitter app. I find it too distracting, too annoying, and intensive with its notifications and stuff. So anyway, I have a account information straight down, data saver gets turned on. That's one way of doing it. Another one is to go in your settings, data usage, and this time it is a little check, and that is done. Next slide, please. And we have, in this example, and this gets, again, very, personally distracting sometimes. If Britney Spears fans hold a free Britney rally in Los Angeles, that's fine, but you can notice that it's a blurred out image. Do I want to see this? Probably not, to be perfectly honest. Then we look at what's happening, and you can see that a tribute to The Simpsons and stuff like that, it leads me into, or the user, into a lot of text to read, but no preview image, because it saved the data. But that's why I said under Digital Wellbeing. Screens on the right here, we've got literally, you can do it is you click off, you can see that with off, you can see even there's green grass there, and there's a knife, but the moment you turn it on, instantly it flicks out and changes instantly in front of your very eyes. Next slide, please. Here is a Chrome setup. This is desktop Windows 10. The brilliant news is it works on desktop as well. I'm not going to do a desktop demo, don't need to. Point of it is you go to more settings, and then it comes down to data usage, check it in there. Even though you're on a desktop, data or Wi-Fi, which is super quick, you can still save it. And I would argue going into a better digital balance, he says, leading into that slide, meaning I went looking on Google Slides for a digital balance, and this one came out where you've got an old school Nokia sitting on a centogram, which I think is just lovely, because keyword digital balance, and that's what it is, isn't it? You live your life as a human animal, yet we get technology thrown at us a lot. So that's pretty much it. We can go over to the end slide, which is finding a balance. I'll put a link to the wellbeing.google, but again, depending on which side of the argument you sit on, and that is with your balance, that if you are a tweeter pushing out videos and images all day long, yeah, that's fine. But if you are a busy user who just wants to check in, or for the legit reason you want to save your data, then stopping images and stopping videos playing around will certainly maybe help you. So that was me, Mike Downs, wasn't it, with another one. Over and out.